going to show you step by step how I'm going to make a sign for my niece's wedding. First, we're going to start off with some Rockinwood reclaimed wood planks. We're just doing a light sand with 80 grit. That is just going to take the dirt off, but keep that gray patina. And then you're going to measure your backer boards, and we're going to glue these on and use a nail gun to attach them. That just keeps them intact until the glue dries. If you don't have a nail gun, you can just put something heavy on top until they dry, and I will show you the rest tomorrow. Part 2 of the wedding sign. I made a stencil here out of a cardboard box just to keep my letters lined up while I was gluing everything on. Now you can use either CA glue or Loctite. The Loctite pretty much dries instantly, so if you do use that, make sure you get your letters in the right place the first time, because you're not going to be moving them after that. Use some kind of high-tech device to keep your letters in place like I did. And I cut out another smaller stencil for the small letters just so I didn't have to deal with that big piece of cardboard for this part of it. Once you got all the letters glued on, it was pretty much done from that point, and there you go. I hope she loves it.